Hi kindergarten, it's Mrs. Wanstead. I hope you're enjoying those flat teachers we sent you. If your parents send us a picture of you with your flat teacher by Friday, May 29th, we will put those in a video and post them the first week of June of all of the kindergartners that send them to us of them with their flat teacher. We hope to see you in the video. Please send that picture through Dojo, a text message to your teacher, or even through email to your teacher. If you have any questions, just let us know and we'll help you with that. Bye.
Kindergarten families, today I'm going to show you another way you can practice CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant words, or sight words with your student. I'm going to show you how to create and play a game. All you need is paper of any kind. The thicker paper typically works better. I used construction paper, but you could also use cardstock that you can buy at Walmart if you're there, or you could also use this foam type board. It's flexible that you could cut up. You can get this for fairly cheap from the dollar store if you're there. But you cut it up into rectangle, square shapes, like the size of a card, and you would write the words that you want to play the game with on the cards. If you want to use sight words, you can refer back to this sheet that you received in your packet with a star on the top. In the top box where it says kindergarten, it has all the sight words that we had learned in class, plus the ones we were going to learn listed on here. If you no longer have this, reach out to your teacher and they can send you a copy of it through Dojo. So you're just going to want to take the sight words from here and write them on the cards like I have here. I have little and put and want and all of them listed out here. And then I've also created some other cards with some fun sayings on them for kids to pull out or for you to pull out while playing with your student. And this one says, give one card away. You get to go again. Take one card or steal a card from another player, lose your turn, or return all your cards back to the pile. So you're just going to want to put these cards throughout the set so they're not all together with the words. And you're going to pile this up so that they can't see them, and you're going to take turns pulling a card off the deck and saying the word. So the first person would pull a card and they would say want, and they would leave it in front of them right here. If your student pulls a card out and they're not quite sure of what the word is, go ahead and tell them what the word is and have them practice saying it a few times before they set the card down. And then you would take your turn and you would pull your card and say your word, put, and then you would get to keep it in front of you. And this would keep going until either someone lost all their cards or you were tired of playing the game. Now you could also make the same version of this game but using CVC words like fun, where I have a consonant, vowel, consonant, or sat. And if you made it like this, just have your student draw the card and sound out the sounds of the letters and then blend together like s, at, sat, and say it all together. And they may need some help or some reminders on how to read these words too. Another way you could also create this game is with craft sticks that you find at Walmart or Meijer or even the dollar store. And you would take out a set and you would write the words on the bottom of the stick. And you could also create the special sticks like return all your sticks or steal a stick from a friend. And you would put them down in here so your student couldn't see, and then you would take turns drawing them out and reading them and laying them down just like you would the cards. I hope you are able to create something like this for your students and have some fun while learning sight words and CVC words.
Hi kindergartners, I hope that you are having a great week. I hope that you are taking your flat teacher on lots of awesome and fun adventures and writing about it. Make sure you send it to us through Dojo, email, or through the mail. I'd love to see all the fun adventures and to read about all the places that you have been taking us. Make sure you get those to us.